Traditional fixed-ranked theaters are one thing, but what you're about to see brings theater to a whole new level. Imagine transforming a hall with a touch of a button. Imagine a flexible, multi-purpose performing arts center instead of a regular static public venue. Imagine no more. Come with us to where the unimaginable becomes reality, where architecture is dynamic, where space comes alive. Come with us to Quebec, Canada, and meet Gala Systems. Dating back to 1980, Gala Systems is one of the most innovative companies in the world. And it's their creativity, combined with their solid engineering background and dedication to the artistic field, that have helped them create a technological revolution in the world of performing arts centers.
Gala Systems is a mechanical engineering, design, and manufacturing company. Started in 1960 by Pierre Laforêt and Pierre Gagnon. We now specialize in stage equipment as well as transformable multi-purpose halls. Gala Systems is a unique company that deals with engineering and manufacturing. We have about 100 employees. 50% of them are directly involved in design and engineering. We have about 30 patents to our name, one of which is the Spiral Lift Unit, a unique compact lifting device that's used in about 70 countries throughout the world now.
With the most advanced technology at their fingertips, Gala Systems earned its worldwide reputation with over 1,500 projects in 65 countries. The Spiral Lift solution applied to understage equipment has led Gala to create venue transformation, where configuration possibilities are endless.
Gala has earned their reputation over 30 years of design, manufacturing, and installation of stage equipment. Stage equipment such as turntables, lift systems, and overstage systems. This has gained our reputation with theater consultants, as well as architects and clients throughout the world. We now have transferred our engineering knowledge, as well as the reputation for being able to do high-quality systems from the stage into the audience. So now we can provide a fully integrated, multi-use auditorium system where every platform is a movable platform and the seats can rotate from underneath a storage position into a used position up on top of the stage. This allows the venue to be highly efficient. As opposed to single-purpose halls, for example in performing arts centers, they're only used on average 35% of the time. A Gala venue system can be used 90% of the time for all sorts of different events. It changes over only in 10 minutes, and you can even change the capacity of your hall. The three things that are really key to a multi-use venue are that it changes over quickly, that it looks permanent each one of the configurations, which the Gala venue does, and finally, there's so many different types of configuration that you can use in the venue that whatever the event you're trying to host will all be suitable in the hall that you provide.
Having performed life-altering creativity on some of the most recognizable theaters, halls, and showrooms throughout the world, Gala Systems is the world's greatest.